Right, back at it again then. This time, Octamed 4 and the Amiga 1200 making some jungle hardcore. First off, started with this 8-bit pad. Got the Amiga connected to the keyboard here via the MIDI little box at the back, and I played this riff. Then I've got an 8-bit Amon running through the compressor down there off the desk, so it sounds like this. The good old trusty Amiga sub, looped at the end. A series of little vocals. Quick kick drum, hi-hat. Then we've got a stab here doing a riff. Quick rewind. Solid 8-bit soul provider. Also going through the compressor. At the start of the track, I've got the break running and I used some granular delay off this. The Amiga goes straight into it, so you get this kind of effect. Again, like I always say, I've got the Amiga running through the desk. It's been EQ'd, had several effects added to it, little reverbs and delays. This one, just 4 channels of 8-bit audio, keeping it extra rough. But anyway, here we go. More Amiga bangers. Oi, oi.